Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Salesforce for CRM. Salesforce is a powerful customer relationship management platform designed to help businesses connect with their customers in a whole new way. It centralizes all your customer information, from contact details to interaction history, making it easy to manage relationships. This comprehensive system helps improve sales, enhance customer service, and streamline marketing campaigns, ultimately driving business growth and efficiency. Salesforce offers a robust set of features to streamline your operations. You can efficiently manage leads, track sales opportunities through various stages, and maintain detailed customer account records. The platform also allows you to automate many routine sales tasks, freeing up your team to focus on building relationships. Furthermore, its advanced reporting and analytics provide valuable insights, helping you make data-driven decisions to optimize performance across your entire organization. To begin using Salesforce, first set up individual user profiles and customize your dashboard to display the most relevant information. Next, you will want to import your existing customer data, ensuring a smooth transition. Salesforce provides tools for easy data migration. Finally, invest time in training your team on the platform's essential functionalities and your specific workflows. This ensures everyone can leverage its capabilities effectively from day one. To truly maximize your Salesforce CRM investment, consistent effort is key. Regularly update all customer data to maintain accuracy and ensure your team has the most current information. Actively utilize the platform's automation features to streamline repetitive tasks, saving valuable time and resources. Finally, continuously leverage the powerful analytics and reporting tools to gain deeper insights, allowing you to make informed strategic decisions and drive continuous improvement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.